What's up, world? It's your boy Nusha there, Frost on One Destiny Media. Welcome to the channel. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. And if it's your first time here, thanks for tuning in. I hope you can rock with us. We're gonna get off into the news. I'm not even gonna itch, as we had a crazy week this week once again. But to get some closure to Spice's situation, she finally broke her silence via the IG, Instagram, and she sent a message to her fans and loved ones, the one that was concerned. So we're gonna get off into that. So she posted, "Thank you, Jesus, for saving my life. Hey besties, I'm in a better space today to properly update you on my current health situation. I suffered a damaged hernia a few days ago that sent my body into sepsis. As a result, I was rushed to the hospital for immediate surgery. As you know, I've been off of social media for a while to rest mentally. So little did I know that during my mental scare, it was already been said that I had a heart attack, I was in a coma, and I also died. But none of that is true. However, I'm still recovering from what really happened, so thanks so much for all the prayers and concerns. Please take great care of yourself. Eat, live, love, laugh like it's your last day. I love you all so much, and you done know Gracie always gonna be ourselves. So I guess this is no more jumping off of speaker boxes for me. LOL. To all the promoters that have confirmed booking with me, please accept my humble apology. Cayman, I know you was up next for the 25th of this month. However, I'll see you at a later date. Any further information needed, there's always a contact in my bio. The Queen loves you all." Blue heart, blue heart, blue heart. And everybody started pouring in with love. Ding Dong to Major Height, Dexter Daps, her Jada Kingdom, her Love and Hip Hop co-stars Popcorn, Jada Kingdom, Wooly, Buster, Wally British, Nicky Black, Holy, One Destiny Media, Frosted, you know, say One Destiny Media on the page. Anyway, that's good news to hear. I'm glad that none of those rumors had any basis on it, and she's on her road to recovery. So get well soon, Spice, really quick. We all love you and we want to see you back at 100% health. All right, so. And we're going to transition into the next story because Dyema'S, dancehall dancer, creator of Dirty Wine, she debuted her new look via her IG page, and it down there broke the internet. Man, hotness. So I got her IG page posted up. If you want to go over to her page and share some love. Why not? And in other music news, so Beenie Man returns back to the motherland and in Uganda, and it's been 13 years since he performed in Uganda, and unfortunately it looks like the show was a little lackluster. Would I want to say flop? But it's not Beenie Man's fault. Looks like as far as all the editorials, they're all putting blame on the promoter. As far as I get it, it seems that they were second guessing that the show was going to be put on in the first place. But he showed up and then performed well. They're all saying lack of promotion. Beenie Man took time during his set to address the situation, but in real professional fashion, Beenie Man still delivered for the fans that showed up. They say it was roughly around 300 or so, but still a nice intimate settings, but not to what he would expect for when you're coming back to Africa. You know, they like to come out in gourds. You know, it's a whole heap of them that roll out and support the reggae music, and it was disappointing that they didn't get to turn out for Beenie Man's visit this time around. So hopefully they get things right for his next time he's visiting, and he can shut down the place continuously. But let me shut up a little bit and show you a couple clips.
13 years, man, come down here. Hush. Hush. As the answer fella, 13 years, man, come down here. Not Africa, me mean Kampala. 13 years now, girl. The people them up in here. Everybody put your hand in the air. You think you want to have you not care. Me the man tell you on the atmosphere. Me tell you and you there. I'm holding. I'm drinking rum. And the sea, let me. Tell me I'm with you. Kampala, 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 Kampala. Now you're Kampala, 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 Kampala. Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. Them man gonna drink ice water. They lick a pen to the junk up in. When everybody do the show, Kampala, 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 Kampala. Pick up the sons and but me love the data. Pick up the wine to the DJ man in. When everybody do the go, the way you put the man and everybody wanna dance and sing. Say, Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. Hey, Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. Hush! Them said to the fear that you go on. You tell them to come from Jamaica. Kampala, plant for the banana. Right, I know we come make a little data. Which part in the book, Kampala? Come to mine and the boy you go there. You got a wine and a jump in the sofa. Where we are not in that side, and I want to name Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. Kampala, Kampala, Kampala. I'm drinking rock. Can you see them? They want me dead. VIP. VIP. Hush. What I want to do is a show for the nation. Now the next promoter can't do a show like this. I'm going to tell you where to stuff it. But the show is beautiful, the audience is nice. But I need to sing songs for the nation. I need to sing for the nation. Am I lying? Am I lying? We need to sing for the rich. We need to sing for the poor. We need to sing for the have-not. Hold up. Hold up. Let me tell you something. A poor man with a vice will get a years. And once you get 1 year, you get 2. So he becomes an important person. So he becomes the next president of the country. Do not look down on people. Always look up. I love you, Kampala. Love you, Kampala. Stay Africa.
And in more music news, the M.O.B.O, which actually stands for Music of Black Origin, has dropped the Reggae Award title category in place of what's it called? The Best Caribbean Music Act. And there's 6 nominees this year: Spice, Coffee, Skillibeng, Popcorn, Sean Paul, and Shensia. And the nominations were announced this Friday. As of this recording, it was November 11th, yesterday, and was in the UK, in London. And last year's winner was Shensia, Dancehall Princess. So it's going to be special this year because it's their 25th anniversary. So that looks something to look out for. That's going to be a special one. So let's see who are going to be the winner. I don't have my vote already, but do in the comments. Tell me who you think is going to be the winner for the best Caribbean Music Act. It's going to be Coffee, Skillibeng, Spice, Sean Paul, Coffee, Shensia. Let's see. I got the fresh cut to the vlog just for y'all, okay? Gotta make sure I'm sharp. So, the KARTEL popped out on his IG page over the last couple days. Wanted to show off his tattoos or his watch or whatever. Just wanted to say what up to his fans, but hey, take a look. What you think? It wasn't much to the caption, but he popped out. Looks like he's still put on a little weight there, but it's all good. Hurry up, free word boss. And that's all for this segment. I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. So far, I'm gonna leave y'all with brand new dancehall artist Valiant with his brand new single Dunce Check. And if you don't know who Valiant is, remember this?
Father Depot, Father Holy, outside alive,
So check in a little piece, little sneak peek at the new video Dunce Check from dancehall artist Rising Star Valiant. And I'll see y'all later. Do remember, do the YouTube things. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
One Destiny.
Bone shaking and comes and make the skull upset. No, I done it. Back of the class, man, on the subject. England girl, and all the be my one rough sex stage. She have the money hard, but she no drunk yet. Drift the gun hard and make she get upset. You want money on the subject. You want money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad, spin home.